Mic2Wav is a Mac and Windows application utility for the A10 system. You can convert proprietary mic files recorded on the A10TX into industry standard WAV files, create user groups for the A10 system, and update the A10 Rx firmware. The application is available as a free download from the Audio Limited website. Let's start with Mic2Wav file conversion. We're going to add mic files recorded from the A10TX from the micro SD card. The mic files are listed by file name, transmitter name, creation date and time, the beginning and ending timecode, and the total length of the clip. We can convert the entire recording by doing this. I'm going to click Match Source so the converted WAV file will have the same name. Let's choose where we want them saved and press Convert. We now have WAV files of all those recordings. If we only need a select portion of an audio file, we can use the Timecode Range option. To do this, enter a timecode value. So for these files, we enter a timecode range, and we can see Mic2Wav has highlighted all the clips that fall within this range. This time, using the other naming system, we'll use Replace With and give them a new name. I'm going to go ahead and call these Backup. We press Convert and choose a file path, and there we go. Even though some of those clips had values outside of our timecode selection, it's only going to convert the timecode we entered. This is useful if you have multiple takes and you just need to extract one for post, or if you're using the A10TX as a backup and you lose audio somewhere else. Mic2Wav also features the user group function, which allows us to build a list of named frequencies to be sent to the A10TX and A10RX for quick and easy tuning. See the A10 user groups video linked below for more information. Next, we'll take a look at how Mic2Wav can be used to update the A10 Rx firmware. First, download the latest version of firmware from the Audio Limited website. Connect the A10 Rx using USB via the A10 rack or AXLR. I have the A10 rack here with 4 A10 RXs slotted in. Go to the Mic2Wav drop-down menu and click Update RX. Mic2Wav automatically finds any receivers connected to the computer and displays them in the list. The receivers are listed by serial number. A really cool feature is that Mic2Wav automatically selects the box next to receivers that have an older version of the firmware, which makes it really easy to know what needs to be updated. Click Update. We're reminded to keep the power and USB cable connected while it updates. And it's done. Updating via AXLR is identical to using the A10 rack, except we would just be updating one receiver at a time. Thanks for taking a quick look into our Mic2Wav application, and we'll see you soon for more video tutorials.